Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Gemtech Greater Noida. In entrepreneurship development, we are going to discuss the role of entrepreneur in economic growth. Now, entrepreneurs, we can say they are always help in the economic progress, and whatever the society is getting today, like food, clothes, transport, entertainment, they all are the contribution which is made by one or the other entrepreneurs. So, if we talk about the entrepreneurship is an essential requirement for economic growth. So, first is that it increases the production. That entrepreneurship, they use the resources of the economy like labor, capital, technology, and entrepreneurs take up production of goods and services to meet the demand of customers for import substitution, for exports to other countries. Next is decentralization of economic power. Now, most of the entrepreneurs, they start the business on small scale. They seek through their growth through reinvestment of profits. So they break the monopoly of the existing large business, which may be exploiting the consumers. So when there is more of small units, it will lead to the decentralization of economic power. It creates a balance in control of the resources in the economy. Next is increased competition. Entrepreneurs, they are innovators. They introduce new products. They come up with the substitutes. They introduce with new techniques of production. So availability of new products or improved substitutes, it increases the level of competition in the market, which helps in lowering the prices of products, giving better quality to the consumers. So if we talk about in India, small entrepreneurs, they also contribute to the foreign exchange earnings of country. They produce goods for exports. Next is innovation. Now, entrepreneurship results in innovation in society. They create new technologies, products, and replaces the older technologies, which results in more wealth, more income. Next is employment generation. Entrepreneurship helps in creation of new jobs. Small business units also create more jobs. Now, during recession, when the large companies, they retrench their workforce, jobs are being eliminated. So they find the unemployment with the small units, small businesses. So it has been found that the small business or high technology business, they create new jobs at much faster rate than the large firms. Next is harnessing youth power. Now youth power is available in abundance in India, but the salary and wages, they are limited. So there is lack of entrepreneurial opportunities in society. So which does not harness the power of youth. And last is challenging career option. A person seeks a job with some organization, but the entrepreneur is a person who is innovative, who is creative. They can start on their own on a very small scale, and later they can expand to a large enterprise. So this will ensure the personal growth of the entrepreneur. Now, next is entrepreneurship and economic growth. Entrepreneurs play important role in the economic growth. Now, economic development is a process when there is increase in real per capita income of the country over a period of time. And entrepreneurs, they serve as catalyst in the economic growth process because they use capital, labor, technology. They act as economic agent. Even Joseph Schumpeter has said that rate of economic progress of a nation, it depends upon its rate of innovation, which in turn depends on the rate of increase in entrepreneurial talent in the population. So they have stressed on the importance of the entrepreneurship in the economy. Now, the pace of economic prosperity of a country is influenced by many factors like rate of growth in GDP, increasing productivity, employment opportunities, economic diversification, optimal use of local resources, continued innovation. So, entrepreneurship is that factor which contributes to all these things. So, rate of development of a country is directly dependent on rate of the emergence of entrepreneurship. So, the contribution of entrepreneurship is that they provides low cost products, they create jobs, technical innovation, they bear the cost, they bear the risk of launching a new business, they develop new products, they adapt a technology, they develop a new market. So, entrepreneurship has a very significant role in the economic growth. Now, next is innovation and change. Innovation is a process of doing new things or doing old things through new techniques. So, it is a means by which entrepreneur creates new resources or it endows existing resources. So, innovation is one of the major function of entrepreneur. So, innovation may occur in any of the forms. Introducing new product, introducing new manufacturing process, introducing new source of supply, opening new market, developing new combination of means of production. So developing countries, they always need something new. So when they introduce new goods or services in the market, then entrepreneurs, they create new demand. Now, introduction of new goods create additional demand in the market. So economic activity is directly linked to the demand. So when there is demand for goods, production processes will be operating. Running of the enterprises means the factors of production will be engaged. It will bring fresh demand for the products. Industrial activity will be increased. Economic growth will take place. So likewise, other form of innovation is introducing new methods of production. So new methods of production is possible with introducing new technology. Old techniques or methods, they may not remain cost effective. So new method of production will accelerate the rate of production. Products will also be of good quality. So entrepreneurs, innovative entrepreneurs, they always look out to find new methods of production or better methods of production. Next form of innovation is opening into new market where there is great potential for new products. So new market can be within the country or outside the country. So entrepreneurs, they should always search for new markets. Production will be increased only when new demand comes for goods and services. So economic growth is also linked to the industrial activity. Next form of innovation is new sources of supply. So entrepreneur also finds out new sources of supply, new sources of raw material or new sources of other inputs which is needed for production. New supplies, they helps in bringing economies in the cost. It helps in enhancing the quality of the products. Now next topic is generation of employment opportunities. That means what is the role of entrepreneurs or entrepreneurship in employment generation? Now, there is the unemployment situation which the youth is facing. So, if those persons become entrepreneurs, then they will create jobs for themselves and also they will provide direct employment to many individuals. So, an entrepreneur, they creates lot of employment opportunities for different sections of society. They adds to the economic growth. So when they set up new venture, it leads to creating new opportunities for labor, for suppliers who supplies all kind of equipments or other materials to the traders. So all these sectors, they get benefited by setting up new enterprise or through expansion or diversification. Employment opportunities are also created by entry of new units in the economy. So when the existing units, they increase their production capacity, then also employment opportunities are created. So a new unit requires raw material, power, water, banking facility, communication facilities, various assets like plant, machinery, furniture. So all the providers of these goods or services, they get work from new unit. Suppliers gain from this demand. So goods and services produced by entrepreneurs will be sold in the market. So they require services like transport services, warehousing facility, insurance services, advertising. So it will again create more job opportunities in the economy. So entrepreneurs, they provide employment opportunities and adds to the economic growth in number of ways. So in this lecture, we have discussed the role of entrepreneur in the economic growth. Thank you. That's all for today.